rainy POV for y'all, man, in the Nissan, feel me, SR sports model Altima. All right, you guys, because if you guys are aware, your boy, right, is getting a car this December. Okay, for my 21st birthday. You know, this car will actually be for my little brother, man. For me, the car is sounding good though. I'm not gonna lie, man. It's raining right now, so if you hear thunderstorms, yeah, that's why, obviously. Woo! Boy, popping too, man. This sounding good, y'all. Got the burble going.